Right, I have a message from John Boy. It's a paragraph, and I was going to try and translate it to answer someone's question. Someone asked, John Boy has a pager system for doorbell and fire alarm, and someone asked what is the difference between, like, does it vibrate different ways so that he knows the difference is this is vibrating meaning it's a fire, or this is vibrating meaning it's the door. So I'm going to do a tap of me translating his response. So here we go. Okay. First of all, I can hear James playing the mandolin upstairs. Can you copy and paste for me? John Boy's answer is, remember I explained. So I will just say, remember I explained. For, I won't say things, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. So would you go, remember I explained? Yeah, I wouldn't say 4 first. I'd just, yeah, I think that's clear. Doorbell, phone ring, baby call, fire alarm. I'll just sign those, that's easy. Doorbell, fire alarm, which is suitable for my deaf blindness. So for suitable, I think I'll drop that and I'll say works for me. I'll say I have 2. That works for me. Happy with that. Don't know if I'll say happy with that actually. I could just say suitable. But I think what he's saying is that's what works for him. So I'll do that. My pager has set up with specific things. My pager set up with specific things, not others. Again, I think I'd reword that. My pager is set up 2 things. That's it. Yeah, I think I'll change it to that. In order, when the doorbell rings, in order to be vibrating in my pager, the vibration goes constant. Rhythms, vibration, like tapping twice constantly, tick. So I just go, or like, oh, how do you sign that? Tapping twice constantly, like a tick. Tick tock, tick tock. Press the button to stop and open the door. So, stop, open the door. Hello. I'm just laughing thinking of you wondering what I'm talking about here, but I will also add the message that I'm translating so you can see. He says, hello, Santa Claus. So John Boy's obviously intending that with humour. So I will say, who's that? Oh, Santa. I think I'll add like, yay, even though he hasn't said that, but I know he would think that. Is that appropriate? Should I add things that he hasn't said? But then I know him and I know that that's what he would want to say. I'm going to have to research that because I've done that a few times in his videos where I've added things in because I know his personality and I know what he means. But is that appropriate? Am I like putting words in his mouth? I'm going to research that, put that aside. For the fire alarm, vibration is like quick clapping, fast, constantly. So we'll separate the two with, if it's the doorbell, but if it's the fire alarm, it's, you can see how I feel, touch the difference. Big smile. So it's big smile. Yeah, I think that's simple enough. I think that should be okay. Okay.